One of the most important ways on growing on TikTok is by creating videos using trending sounds. But how do you find that? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find trending sounds on TikTok. So the first method is to use TikTok regularly and find what is happening on TikTok and which songs are used by most of the creators. So if you don't have time for that, then the other method is to go to your Spotify, and then here you need to search for TikTok. After searching for TikTok, you will see a viral hits. You need to click on it, and this is the playlist that Spotify created, and that Spotify thinks that these songs will get hit in future or are already in trend. So other method is to go to your TikTok, and here when you create a new TikTok, and on the top you will see add sound button. You need to click on add sound, and here you will see a trending button. You need to click on it, and this is where you will see all of the trending sounds that are currently on trend. So I hope you found this video useful. These were the methods by which you can find trending sounds on TikTok. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.